Many people today struggle with unstable blood sugar levels, even when they try to eat healthy and stay active. The real problem is that blood sugar imbalance doesn't happen overnight. It slowly builds up due to stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, and toxins in the body. Over time, this can lead to constant fatigue, weight gain, cravings, and low energy throughout the day. This is where Sugar Defender comes in. Sugar Defender is a natural formula designed to help support healthy blood sugar levels using carefully selected plant-based ingredients. Unlike harsh chemicals or synthetic drugs, this supplement works with your body, not against it. The formula focuses on improving how your body processes glucose. When blood sugar spikes are reduced, your energy levels feel more stable, your cravings decrease, and your metabolism begins to work more efficiently. Many users report feeling lighter, more energetic, and more focused after consistently using Sugar Defender. What makes Sugar Defender different is its blend of natural ingredients that are known to support insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic health. These ingredients help your body better absorb sugar from the bloodstream and use it as energy instead of storing it as fat. Another key benefit is long-term support. Sugar Defender doesn't just give temporary relief, it helps improve your body's internal balance over time. This means better digestion, improved circulation, and healthier energy levels throughout the day. If you're tired of feeling sluggish, dealing with sugar crashes, or constantly worrying about your blood sugar levels, Sugar Defender may be a helpful addition to your daily routine. It's easy to take, made with natural components, and designed to support your health from the inside out. Remember, real change happens when you take consistent steps toward better health. Supporting your blood sugar naturally can make a big difference in how you feel every single day.